Hi Ruhi,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good too. Tell me something about yourself.
Well, my name is Ruhi Arora. I have been born and brought up in Delhi. I'm studying in Amity University, Uttar Pradesh. I'm currently in my first year, going to my second year, successfully without any back papers. And I am currently doing BBA General, and I am in multiple clubs, including I'm a position holder in Nexus, and I'm the marketing and PR head over there.
Okay. So, what specific skills or knowledge did you gain during your internship at Luthra Exports?
During my internship at Luthra Exports, I learned that there are many types of people in the world. Types of people that mostly those who were at the confines of their homes would not know about, would not understand, would not know how to deal with. Some are stubborn, some do not want to listen, some are very hot headed, some at the same time just simply fail to understand. Along with that, I have also learned how to deal with those different kinds of people, how to get to their level and make them understand in their own words where they can comprehend what I am saying. Along with that, my skill set has expanded from just being able to talk to people to be able to actually hold full-fledged conversations with them. Along with that, I have also learned how to expertly create videos and market various kinds of products along with their scripts, their descriptions, and everything else. Not only that, I have also gained knowledge about fabrics and you know, I think थान बोलते हैं करेक्ट थान कैसे बांधना है मैंने वो भी सीखा है मैंने I've also learned that there are so many kinds and varieties of fabrics. In all honesty, I only thought that there would be about 10, 20 fabrics. Here, I got to know that there were around 557 kinds of fabrics, at least, and more to come. So it's just a vast amount of knowledge that I have gained over here.
That's nice. So, which task or project contributed most to your learning experience?
For my learning experience, the projects which actually included sitting, talking to sir, making videos specifically, be it for different kinds of fabrics, be it for marketing different products, or be it for even hitting their pain point in sir's words. I have learned how to, you know, get the message across without being too pushy, without actually shoving a product on their face.
Okay. How has this internship influenced your career goals or future aspirations?
So, as for my career goals, I have always wanted to first do a job for 2 to 3 years. Then I would have wanted to be an entrepreneur. To be an entrepreneur requires a massive skill set and a huge amounts of patience and other various things of that sort. Not only that, to be an entrepreneur, you also need to know, you need to have a goal, to have a role model. And I believe seeing Luthra Exports work, I think I will slowly start to pick up where I would also like to start from myself.
Okay. So, adding to this question only, what you have learned in your internship that you are going to apply in your life?
The most important thing that I learned from the internship was patience. Be it to talk to people, be it to shoot videos, be it to get it done, be it to even go to various places and to talk to people there that hey, this is what I need. Do I have permission and such other various things. I have learned how to have new heights of patience that I personally never thought I could achieve. Not only that, from Luthra Exports, I have also learned how to deal with various kinds of people, like I said earlier.
As you mentioned that you are gone for various places, so what is your experience of going to the various places in the heat, in the open area market, or
So I am a very outdoorsy kind of person. Like if you tell me right now to get up and let's go to the market, we'll go shop, we'll go bargain, I will happily come no matter how tired I am. So for me, it was a pretty fun experience. It was, it was like going and exploring those hidden gems in a way. And that really, दिल्ली का दिल नहीं होता कि बार्गेन करके कुछ लेना है, वो एकदम चैन की वो होता है फिर दिल पे. बहुत मजा आ गया मेरे को तो.
So while you are shooting at the hot summer and out, so what is your experience over there? Well, sitting in a office and shoot in AC is quite okay, but going out in a chilly heat and shoot is different.
Of course, it is different. There is the huge sun there. You'll be scorching from the heat. You'll be sweating heavily. One thing, tissues and napkins are your best friends during those times. Not only that, you have to make it a one take. You do not have much of a chance to reshoot over and over again, because not only that, that also holds the risks of your own health getting spoiled.
What is the hardest part in your internship?
I believe the hardest part in the internship was firstly waking up and coming here. I am a huge sleepyhead. I can sleep all day long. Not only that, it was when I had to go traveling from point to point, getting an auto, getting your own way, how to, the travel time, that was also one of the hardest parts. Not only that, learning the scripts, to learn them, to understand them, to be able to put them across in such a way where it's actually getting the message through, that was also pretty hard.
What is your pride moment in the entire internship?
Pride moment would be when I was recognized by the sir for my work, for my hard work, for the efforts I put in, the happiness on his face that he's actually getting the results. I believe I was very happy on being able to show my efforts through my work, show my skill set through my work. That was a very prideful moment.
And what is your funniest moment?
My funniest moment was when we used to shoot videos and bicker like little children over what roles we're going to take. Or, we would just sit and during our free times, during our lunch breaks, we would sit and chat and just chill with each other and make fun of each other. And, just, be human in a way. I believe that was pretty fun. Not only that, one specific video that we made where I believe it was a satin fabric, abstract satin. And the shoot went like we were supposed to fight, where I wanted the fabric and my colleague, he also wanted the fabric, and sir would have swooped in and be our hero in a way and give both of us fabric. I believe that was a very fun video to shoot, and that was genuinely so energizing in a way.
So, does your parents see any changes in you during your internship?
My parents definitely do see a change in me during my internship. Well, for once, they've actually said that I tend to wake up on time now. I don't get late, and from where also it stands, I'm more responsible. I am more, on my feet when I'm at the house. I'm able to help them in tasks that they actually didn't think I would help. Like if I was, I'd say for example, about a month back, if they would have told me to set up something in the shaft, to set up something in the loft, I might have not done it because I would have been like, "Mama, मैंने क्यों करना है? दीदी को बुला के करा दो." Didi hasn't helped. So then, in today's date, if my mom would tell me to do that to help, and I said, "Sure, let's do it." Because somewhere along the line, that responsibility set in, that respect for my parents, that hey, they work very hard for me, I should do something for them too, that also set from somewhere. From being a child mentally, I have grown up to now actually be an adult.
So, how effectively was the mentorship or the guidance you received from your supervisor, both Nitesh sir and Sahil sir?
From Nitesh sir specifically, I have learned how to deal with various people and get their things done. I believe that is a lifelong lesson to be learned. And also, I have learned how to market something without being do in the face of it. Like, I think he explained it to me that if I was to be sent something, of course, there's aggressive marketing techniques, but that's different. If someone was to come and shove something in my face, I would not like it. That is a trick of marketing, subtle way of marketing. From Sahil Sir specifically, I learned how we can market and enjoy what we're doing while getting our point across. How to be respectful while doing what you are doing and actually making the best out of it with the pure utmost enjoyment.
Okay. How would you describe the company culture at Luthra Export?
Well, the company culture, first of all, it's a very polite and respectful environment. You would be heard if there was an issue, it would be resolved soon. Um, Not only that, my colleagues, my interns with me, they're also pretty fun to be around. It's like a little family which has now grown together over the time we have been working here. I think once I leave, I will miss this internship a lot.
Okay. The last thing, on the scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your overall internship experience?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate my internship approximately an 8.5, considering the fact that at times I didn't want to work. And by that, I mean that earlier that the previous night I wouldn't have slept or something would have bothered me, and the next morning I would have been like in a drag, and then I was like, well, why do I have to work today? But of course, that's a personal opinion. That's a personal opinion, personal judgment, which led me to be like, can I not take a leave? But then, of course, my rational part of the brain went like, bro, you've got an internship. Get up and get out of the bed. Other than that, everything in the internship was very smooth. The work ethic, the work culture, everything's amazing. The place is amazing. It's pretty clean, it's pretty neat. I love how there's this morning prayer done, which shows that they're down to earth, shows that they actually respect the place, they care for the place. Overall, it was a very fun and loving internship, and if given the opportunity, I would come here again.
Okay.